Welcome to this tutorial on Monday.com groups. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work and collaborate with each other. Groups are a fundamental concept in Monday.com, enabling teams to organize their work and workflows in a structured and efficient manner. To start, let's define what a group is in Monday.com. A group is a category or a classification of items that share common characteristics or attributes. In the context of Monday.com, groups are used to organize items such as tasks, projects, or workflows into logical categories. Creating a group in Monday.com is a straightforward process. First, you need to log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to create a group. Then, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Create Group. Give your group a name and description, and then click Create. Once you have created a group, you can add items to it. For example, if you have created a group called Marketing Campaigns, you can add items such as social media campaigns, email marketing campaigns, or content marketing campaigns to it. You can also add custom fields to your group to track specific information related to the items in the group. One of the key benefits of using groups in Monday.com is that it allows you to filter and sort items based on specific criteria. For example, you can filter items in a group by status, priority, or due date. This enables you to quickly identify items that require attention or action. Another benefit of using groups is that it enables collaboration and communication among team members. You can invite team members to join a group and assign them tasks or items to work on. You can also use the commenting feature to discuss items in a group and share feedback. Best practices for using groups in Monday.com include keeping your groups organized and up to date, using clear and descriptive names for your groups, and establishing a consistent naming convention. It's also important to regularly review and update your groups to ensure they remain relevant and effective. In conclusion, Monday.com groups are a powerful tool for organizing and managing work in a structured and efficient manner. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using groups effectively, you can streamline your workflows, improve collaboration, and increase productivity.